Welcome back to Gurudeva E-Classes. I am your Gururaj with the 6th standard social science subject. In the previous class we learned about the Bengaluru division. Today we have to discuss about the Mysuru division. In the Mysuru division, it was ruled by the Wadayars. So this Mysuru division, it was 8 districts. There are Mysuru, Mandya, Hasan, Kodagu, Dakshina Kannada, Udupi, Chikmagaluru, Chamarajanagar. So these are the districts are helpful to know about the Mysuru division. So Mysuru is the center of the Mysuru division. Then what is the history of the Mysuru division? So Mysuru division, it has its own unique history. So what was that? Here Mysuru division, it was ruled by many of the dynasties. In that some of the dynasties have available the Gangas, Cholas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara, Wadayars, Hyder Ali, Tippu. So these are the important dynasties we got there. So Gangas are the first dynasty we found in a Mysuru division. Gangas, they were ruled from the Talakadu. Talakadu was their capital of Gangas, and Cholas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara kingdoms, and Wadayars, Hyder Ali and Tippu. So these are the persons and these are the dynasties they were ruled the Mysuru. Mysuru, it is named as a Mahishanadu. There are some of the stories, some of the historical stories or the mythological stories. According to mythological stories, goddesses Parvati killed the Mahishasura and appeared as a Chamundeshwari in the form of a Chamundeshwari. So this Mahishasura ruled this place that is called as a Mysuru. So these are the mythological stories as gives the information about the Mysuru, which that the Wadayars. So these are the Wadayars are very important and prominent kings we found from the Mysuru division. Like this way, Wadayars in the sense we are remembering Yaduraya. So this Yaduraya is the first ruler. Yaduraya was the first ruler of the Mysuru, and Chikkadevaraya were the important kings. Chikkadevaraya were the important king from the Mysuru division. Like this way, after the Wadayars, after the weaker section of the Wadayars, we found the Hyder Ali and Tippu Sultan. Hyder Ali was the military general of the Krishnadevaraya III. The Krishnadevaraya III, when he cannot able to rule, on that time the Hyder Ali and Tippu Sultan take a chance to rule the Mysuru division up to 1761 to 1799. So this Hyder Ali come to the administration at 1761, and his son Tippu Sultan end this administration at 1799. So after the Hyder Ali and Tippu Sultan, the Britishers occupied the Mysuru division. So when the Britishers occupied, again they are given back to a Mysuru Wadayars. So then Mysuru Wadayars, they were ruled at 1831 to 1881. Like that way, Krishnadevaraya IV. Krishnadevaraya Wadayar IV was the famous king from the Mysuru Wadayar, and he made many of the achievements. So he is named as a Rajarshi. Like this way, in a Krishnadevaraya Wadayar IV time, we found two important divans. Those are Sir Vishveshwaraya and Sir Mirza Ismail. They were gives a prominence administration to the people, and they give a contribution to a education, culture and irrigation facilities to the people who are lives in a Mysuru division. Like this way, we are remembering Kodagu. So Kodagu also one of the important place we got from the Mysuru division. Kodagu in the sense we are remembering Haleri dynasty. This Haleri dynasty, they were ruled by the Dodda Veerappa. They were ruled by the Dodda Veerappa, and one more important king we called as a Chikka Veeraraja. So this Haleri dynasty, they were ruled from the Bidanuru. This Bidanuru was their capital. They were ruled up to a 17th century. They were ruled up to a 17th century. Like this way, we are remembering some of the dynasties. That is called as Keladi, Adupa and Tulunadu. Keladi, Adupa and Tulunadu. So these are the dynasties. They were gives a contribution to a Mysuru division. The Kodagu, it was an independent state after the independence also, and this Kodagu, it was integrated with the Karnataka at the time of 1956. At the time of 1956. Like this way, we found the Keladi dynasty. Keladi in the sense of we are remembering one of the famous ruler that is called as Keladi Channamma. So this Keladi Channamma, they were fought against the Portuguese. Like this, we are remembering Alupa dynasty. So this Alupas also, they were ruled up to a 7th century to 14th century. And we found Tulunadu. This Tulunadu in the sense of we are remembering Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district. So this Tulunadu, it was one of the coastal district. It was named by the Britishers. and it is named as a Kannada district. This Dakshina Kannada and Udupi, it was named as a Kannada district. So not only Wadayars, not only Vijayanagara kings, like this way we found many of the Palegaras, they were ruled the Mysuru division. Like this way we are remembering Puttikes, Chautas and Bangavadi, Bangaru, Karkala, Bhairavaru, Kasaragudu, Kamble. So these are the persons, they were ruled the Mysuru division. Like this way, Udupi is one of the important district. It was divided from the Dakshina Kannada at the time of 1997. So these are the important history we got from the Mysuru division. Mysuru is a rich in natural resource. So we found some of the coastal areas or the coastal belts, that is called as Udupi and Dakshina Kannada. Like this way, mountain ranges and forest, wildlife, climate condition. So these are the things is helpful to a natural resource. Especially Udupi and Dakshina Kannada, it is a rain-based hot climate. Rain-based hot climate. Like this, Mysuru and Mandya district, it is one of the dry climate area. It's a dry climate area. Udupi district, it was receives highest rainfall, and Mandya district, it is one of the lowest rainfall. Mandya district receives lowest rainfall. Like that, we found some of the crops here: ragi, paddy, green gram, horse gram, maize. So these are the important crops as available in a Mysuru division. In that way, we found some of the commercial crops also. We are named as coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, argonauts, and cardamom. So these are the commercial crops also very important in a Mysuru division, which that forest resource in the sense we found some of the trees. It is one of the valuable trees, that is called as a teak. Teak, sandalwood, honge, nandi, matti. So these are the trees we are export to all over the India. See, it is one of the valuable trees we got from the Mysuru division. With that we found some of the hill stations. What are those? Here Subramanya Hill, Himavad Gopala Swami Hill, Male Mahadeshwara Hill, Biligiri Rangana Betta, and Mullayanagiri, Kemmannagundi, and Chamundi Betta or Chamundi Hill. So these are the important hill stations we got there. In a Shravanabelagola only we found two important hill stations, that is called as Chandragiri and Indragiri. Chandragiri and Indragiri. So these are these two important hill stations we got from the Shravanabelagola district. What is the wildlife? In a Mysuru division, it's a rich in a wildlife also. What are those? Here are some of the animals, are the wild animals: tiger, leopard, and wild dog, deer, fox, bison, snake. So these are the important wild animals we got from the Mysuru division. And Bannuru sheep. So this Bannuru sheep also one of the important breed of the sheep we got from the Mandya district. Like this, we found some of the rivers also. What are those? Here are the Kaveri river, Hemavati, Harangi, Netravati, Kumaradhara, Vedavati, Kapila, Yagachi, and Gangoli. So these are the river system gives the irrigation facilities to the Mysuru division people. Like this way, we found some of the waterfalls also. So these are the waterfalls attracts many of the tourists. Some of the Mysuru city people and some of the Bengaluru people, they are visited to these waterfalls for the relaxation, for the spending of a weekend. So that these are the waterfalls, that means Gaganachukki, Varachukki, Abbe Falls, Iruppa Falls, and Hebbe Falls. So these are the important waterfalls attracts many of the tourists. Like this, we found some of the minerals also. So what are those minerals? The minerals in the sense bauxite, phellasite, chromite, limestone, manganese, and granite. Especially Mysuru. In the Mysuru city only we found the phellasite. In the Mysuru district we found the phellasite. It is a rich resource of the phellasite. Like this, we found Udupi and Dakshina Kannada. So this Udupi and Dakshina Kannada, these are the coastal districts, and also we are named as a Kannada districts. So these coastal districts gives the facility for the fishing activities. So these are the fishes we are exported to all over the India. It's a very famous fishing activity, and it gives many of the occupation to the people who are lives in a Mysuru division. Like this, Kodagu, Chikmagaluru, Mysuru. So these three important districts we found the timber trade. So these are the important districts. It has gives the contribution to a natural resource. So dear students, forest, wildlife and national parks also one of the important thing we got from the Mysuru division. So what are those? Mysuru, Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Hassan district, it is a rich resource of the forest and wildlife. So we found many of the national parks also. Like this Bandipura, Nagaravali, Male Mahadeshwara Betta and Pushpagiri. So these are the important places we got many of the national parks, wild animals and forest area. The rich resource of the forest area we got them. Like this some of the tribal communities they are lives in those places. So these are the tribal communities they got a shelter from these forest area. We are remembering some of the tribal communities. Those are Jain Kurba. So this is Jain Kurba, it is one of the biggest tribal community. They are lives with a lot of people in a Mysuru and Chamarajanagar district. Mysuru and Chamarajanagar district. Like that we found Koraga. So Koraga also one of the important tribal community. It is a lives in a Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district. And it is one of the most backward tribal community in a Karnataka. Most backward tribal community in a Karnataka. And Malekudiya. So this Malekudiya also one of the tribal community. It has lives in a Kodagu and Dakshina Kannada. And Soliga. The Soliga tribal community, they were lives in a Chamarajanagar district. Like that we found many of the tribal communities named as Yarava, Hakkipikki, Halasa and Medar. So these are the tribal communities, they are lives in those forest area. So forest it is one of the rich resource of the trees and also it gives a shelter to those tribal communities. Like this we found some of the tiger conservation project. So these tiger conservation project, it was to protect the tigers. In all over the Karnataka, we found the 5 important tiger conservation project. In that 3 conservation project we got in a Mysuru division only. Like this tiger conservation project, especially we found in a Bandipura, Nagaravali and Bhadra. So these are the important tiger conservation project we got there. And Karnataka, it is one of the rich resource of the tiger. Like that we found the elephant protection project. So this elephant protection project also we got in a Karnataka. The tiger it was killed for its skin and elephant it was killed for its tusk. So that we found the tiger conservation project and the elephant protection project also. So these are the projects are helpful to protect the wild animals. Like this Ranganathitu bird sanctuary also one of the important thing we got from the Mysuru division. So these are the bird sanctuaries and wildlife sanctuaries are richest in a Mysuru division itself. So we are remembering Ranganathitu, Gudavi and Kokkarabelluru. Ranganathitu bird sanctuary, Gudavi bird sanctuary and Kokkarabelluru bird sanctuaries we got from the Mysuru division. Like this we found some of the wildlife sanctuaries also. What are those? Here Melukote wildlife sanctuary. Melukote wildlife sanctuary and Male Mahadeshwara Betta wildlife sanctuary and Kaveri Pushpagiri. Kaveri and Pushpagiri wildlife sanctuaries also we got in a Mysuru division. And Rajiv Gandhi, Nagaravali and Bandipura national parks are the 2 important national parks we got from the Mysuru division. Especially these 2 important national parks we got in a Chamarajanagar district itself. Like this we found a Kedda operation also. What is the meaning of Kedda operation? The wild elephants tamed using the technique that is called as a Kedda operation. The wild elephants tamed using the technique that is called as a Kedda operation. Like Mysuru in the sense it is a rich resource of the forest area. Like this it is one of the place we found the agriculture resource. The almost all of the India it was depend on the agriculture. Like this we found the silk and coffee plantation. Especially silk in the sense of we found in a Kodagu district. Like this coffee in the sense of we are remembering Chikmagaluru district and also a Hasana district. Like this way we found the sugar cane. So this sugarcane industries are the sugarcane agricultural plantation, especially we got from the Mandya. Mandya in the sense of we are remembering sugarcane. Like this cashew nut, pepper, rubber, cardamom. So these are the important crops we got from a Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district. Like this way paddy, ragi, maize, pulses. So these are the crops also available in a Mysuru division, and tobacco, coffee, cashew nut, sugar cane, cotton. So these are the important commercial crops also available in a Mysuru division. Like this way, some of the irrigation projects also available. So these are the irrigation projects helpful to do the agriculture in a Mysuru division. So some of the Mysuru division people, they are depend on the irrigation projects. What are those? Here are Krishnaraja Sagara, Harangi, Hemavati and Kabini. So these are the 4 important irrigation projects as available in a Mysuru division, and we already know about Krishnaraja Sagara, since we are remembering KRS dam or the KRS, and Harangi, Hemavati and Kabini. So these are the important rivers also gives the irrigation facility to the people who are lives in a Mysuru division. Like this way, dairy, poultry, sheep rearing and horticulture also one of the important business and occupation in a Mysuru division people, and some of the pharmaceutical industries, coffee industries and coffee curing industries, food processing unit and fertilizer industries, petroleum industries, chocolate industries, sugar and cement industries also available in a Mysuru division. So these are the industries gives a many of the occupation facilities to the people who are lives in a Mysuru division. So dear students, Mysuru division it was gives the more contribution in a art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance field. Especially we are remembering Yakshagana. It is one of the dance especially we got from the coastal district. Coastal district in the sense that is called as a Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district. Like this way, Kamsale Kunita, Chaudike Kunita, Veeragase, Pata Kunita, Nandi Kol. So these are the important dances also we got there. Bhutaradhane and Kambala, these are one of the rituals and also arts we got from the Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district as well as a coastal districts. Like this Rangayana, the Rangayana it is one of the theatre repertory group. It was founded by the government. Like this we found one of the auditorium that is called as Kala Mandira. This Kala Mandira is in a Mysuru. Like this we are remembering some of the English novelists, those are R.K. Narayan and Rajarao. R.K. Narayan and Rajarao. Like this we found Shivaram Karanth. Shivaram Karanth as named as a Kadala Tirada Bhargava. This Shivaram Karanth got the Jnanapita award. He is from the Dakshina Kannada district. Like this S.L. Bhairappa, B.M. Shrikantayya, A.N. Murtirao, Sara Abubakar, Gopala Krishna Adiga. So these are the important poetess we got from the Mysuru division. Like this way, R.K. Shrikanta, Veene Sheshanna, Pitilu Chaudaya and Veene Doreswamy Ayyangar and Kadri Gopalanath. So these are the persons they are gives the contribution in a music field. Like this way, we are remembering some of the cartoonists. Those are R.K. Lakshman and Muhammad Peer. R.K. Lakshman and Muhammad Peer. Like this theatre field also we got there. Some of the important persons they give a more contribution in that. So those are K.K. Hebbar and B.V. Karanth. K.K. Hebbar and B.V. Karanth. And Sanchi Honnamma, Ratnakara Valli, Singararya. So these are the pre-modern writers or the pre-modern poetess. Like this way, scientists also we got there. Those are Raja Ramanna and U.R. Rao. Raja Ramanna and U.R. Rao. So this U.R. Rao and Raja Ramanna, they were the greatest scientists we got from the India. Like this Devaraj Aras. Devaraj Aras is one of the harbinger of a social justice of the Karnataka state. So we are remembering Devaraj Aras. He gives a more contribution in a political field. The almost all of the Mysuru division it is gives the good education and health facilities to the people. Like this way, the better literacy rates we got in a Mysuru division. Better literacy rate compared to another division, the Mysuru it is one of the better literacy rate. Like this way, we found one of the oldest university that is called as a Mysuru University. The University of the Mysuru. It was established at 1915. And one more university that is called as Mangaluru University. This Mangaluru University it is in a Dakshina Kannada district and a Central Food Technology Research Institution. It is in a Mysuru or the Mysuru city only. Like this Sutturu Mata also we got there. This Sutturu Mata it was gives the good education facilities to the people who are lives in a Mysuru division and a shelter also. Like this district hospitals and rural sub hospitals also we got there. So we found almost all of the facilities, the health facilities we got in district hospitals. Like this way, rural sub health hospitals also we got the health facilities and ASHA workers, ASHA. This ASHA workers also one of the important health workers. So these are the ASHA workers. They were gives the health facilities to the pregnant women. Like this way, child mortality rate and maternal mortality rate, those are very less or the lowest mortality rate we got there. Like this way, the almost all of the Mysuru division, they were gives the good education and health facilities. The life expectancy of the people is better compared to another division. The Mysuru, it is one of the better division. Like this way, today we learnt many things from this lesson. Especially, we learnt history of the Mysuru division and the mythological stories of the Mysuru division. In that, natural resource, art, literature, folklore, theatre, dance, with that education and